Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown of epic proportions. In the left corner, we have the Tomzon A23 mini drone, the pocket-sized powerhouse. And in the right corner, we've got the Focjank brushless motor drone, the big beast with a brushless motor. Which one is worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The Tomzon A23 mini drone comes in at a super affordable $39. That's less than a fancy dinner date. Now, the Focjank brushless motor drone, on the other hand, will set you back $119. That's more like a weekend getaway. So if you're balling on a budget, Tomzon might be your new best friend. Now, ease of use. Tomzon is like the training wheels of drones. It's got one key takeoff and throw to go. Even your dog could probably fly this thing. Focjank, however, has one key takeoff, lash landing, and altitude hold, but it's packed with so many features, you might need a PhD in dronology to master it. Reviewers say that Tomzon is incredibly easy to control, making it perfect for beginners and kids. Focjank, while feature-rich, might be a bit overwhelming for newbies. Next up, fun features. Tomzon can do 3D flips, high-speed auto-rotation, and circle fly. It's basically a tiny flying circus. Focjank, though, brings 3D flips, custom path flight, gesture control, and 3 different speeds to the table. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Reviewers love Tomzon's colorful LED lights and flipping capabilities, but Focjank's gesture control and custom path flight make it the more versatile option. Let's talk cameras. Tomzon. Oh wait, it doesn't have one. Focjank, however, comes with a 1080p HD camera and a 135 degrees motorized adjustable lens. It's like having a flying GoPro. So if capturing epic aerial shots is your thing, Focjank is the clear winner here. Reviewers highlight Focjank's decent picture quality, although some note that the video can be shaky. Stability. Tomzon is made of tough materials and has 4 propeller guards. It's like the tank of mini drones. Focjank, with its brushless motors, is built for longevity and can survive the drone apocalypse. But let's be real, if you crash either one into a tree, you're gonna have a bad day. Still, Focjank's brushless motors give it the edge in the long run. Reviewers find Tomzon to be surprisingly durable for its size, while Focjank's brushless motors are praised for their longevity. Flight time. Tomzon gives you 18 minutes with its 2 modular batteries. Focjank, with its beefier setup, doesn't specify, but with that price tag, you'd hope it flies longer than your average coffee break. Reviewers of Focjank report almost 20 minutes of flight time on a single battery charge, making it a solid performer. So if you're looking to keep the fun going, Tomzon's got you covered, but Focjank isn't far behind. Special features. Tomzon has colorful LED lights, making it the disco ball of the skies. Focjank has 5 GHz Wi-Fi FPV transmission, letting you see the world from your drone's perspective without lag. So if you want to throw a drone dance party, go with Tomzon. But if you want to explore like a pro, Focjank is the way to go. Reviewers particularly appreciate Focjank's real-time transmission and Tomzon's fun LED lights. Overall, reviewers find the Tomzon A23 mini drone to be an excellent choice for beginners and kids, offering great value for its price with easy controls and fun features. The Focjank brushless motor drone, while more expensive, is praised for its advanced features, camera quality, and durable build, making it a suitable option for those looking for a more professional flying experience. So, there you have it. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, easy-to-use and fun drone, the Tomzon A23 mini drone is your best bet. But if you're ready to splurge on advanced features, better camera quality, and a more powerful flight experience, the Fokjank brushless motor drone is worth the investment. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart. See ya! Product links are in the description.